Don't you think Kaizer Chiefs should have done something for Uchana?
No,
Ngicale ngayo nje Chiefs. Ukuthi just imbonge or honore.
Bekumele bayenze iplan man. Baningi labantu amahlube abalethile lapha.
From Bo Martin Zwane, Poland, Jabupule, Ntlanhla, Kubheka, Joe Mabena, myself, Junior Khan, Scapi, yourself, Humphrey Mulwane,
it's a lot.
Because Umahlubi manje, guys, he's not well. He's suffering from dementia. He lives in a home. Things are tough for him. Mangafika now ngeke sakukhumbule. I went to see him the other day. Akasangikhumbuli. Things are bad, and I don't know which Kaizer Chiefs knows this or they don't know this, but this is someone that has done things for Kaizer Chiefs. This is someone that has contributed to Kaizer Chiefs. To this day, they have Ujabu Pule Mahlangu because of Umahlubi.